Hello, I'm Nick the Tool and I'm here to show you another quality product from Snap-on. This is our quarter drive tight access ratchet kit and it's a real clever tool. What you've got here is a very slim profile ratchet. It's actually a ratchet spanner which has been modified to give you a low profile, and the sockets are very clever. So here is a normal quarter drive 13mm and here is a tight access 13mm. So you can notice the socket is a lot shallower and a lot easier to get into those tight spaces. But what you may not have noticed is that the base of this socket is hexagon. The hexagon drops inside the ratchet, and now the profile is obviously extremely small. If you were to then put this onto a quarter drive ratchet, you would find that the access is even less than half in its size to get in. So really clever bit of kit. These are on promotion at the moment. If you'd like to buy a set, they go from 5 through to 13mm, and they also include the magnetic socket adapter which runs flush with the ratchet head, enabling you to run your screwdriver bits in the head of the ratchet. If you'd like one of these, all you need to do is ask your Snap-on franchisee.